What is interior design and what is the process of interior design? A question that we have a lot here in our company. So in this video, we'll try to take you a step by step from initial design all the way to fit out and handing over any project. So stay tuned to a full step-by-step guide to the entire process.
The first step is presenting a few designs for the client for him to choose a mood that suits him well. After choosing a mood that suits the client, we start with the design process with our interior designers, where we are going to prepare 3D image for the entire design. After finishing the design, we start with the drafts, where we create all the drafts and the elevations and the plan for the entire project as well. The next step is taking a few feedbacks from the client so we could do a few modifications. And after that, we prepare the mood boards to present what kind of materials we could use in his apartment as well. After that, the client will choose every single material that goes into the design of his apartment. Right after that, we will estimate the entire price for the project based on the materials the client selected. After finishing with the pricing and the interior design, of course, and all the drafts and plans needed, we will start with the demolition for the entire apartment and start working with the fit out and turnkey for this stunning apartment. Here we are showing the progress for the work in this apartment, in the bathroom, in the living room, and of course in the kitchen. And after that, we are going to show you the finishing results for this stunning apartment. Hope you like it.